London. Big up the nation. Serious arithmetic, no calculation. Error. Watch the flow, watch the vibration. Listen. If one man walks to the market square, then two men's shadows are dancing there. We don't subtract, we don't divide. We take the addition and step inside. If you have a kobo, make it a pound. If you have a seed, put it in the ground. Arithmetic of the Igbo and son, the work of the many has just begun. They count our heads, they lose the track, because for everyone, 10 are coming back. If you fill the house, you fill the land with a heavy heart and a helping hand. If the laughter of children shakes the wall, then the Igbo land people will never fall. From the firstborn son to the daughter's grace, we are building the future pace by pace. Listen to the wisdom, listen to the rate. If you bring the blessings, if you born it, that's not just addition, that's the revibration. If you born 8 children, that's multiplication. The bigger we are, the more powerful we are. Our light is reaching the furthest star. 1 becomes a village, 2 becomes a state. The glory is heavy, the glory is great. If you build a mansion with 20 rooms, but no little feet to chase away the glooms, then that is a subtraction, a cold calculation. We need the new blood to lead the nation. If you want a legacy that never ends, it's not in the money, it's not in the friends, it's in the many faces, the names and the kin. That is the surest way for the heartland to win. If you have a compound with a high iron gate, but nobody inside to make the dinner play, that is a zero and only equation. We need the numbers for the Boland station. If you are the brothers, if you are the clan, then you are the forest, not just one man. 1 tree is a target for the wind and the rain, but 1,000 trees together will never feel the pain. If you have a network that stretches wide with the power of the lineage on your side, it's not about the gold, it's not about the fame, it's about the thousands who carry the name. If the brothers are 10 and the sisters are 10, then you never have to worry about the how or when. A giant is born from the strength of the many. Wealth in the blood is worth more than the penny. If the roots are deep, the tree will stand. If the seeds are sown, we take the land. If the cradle rocks, the future is bright. If we multiply, we claim the light. If you want the power, then grow the line. If you want the harvest, the time is prime. If the sons are strong and the daughters are wise, then the Igbo and glory will surely rise. The bigger we are, the more powerful we are. Let your lineage start to bloom. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 1 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, 1 becomes 8, 8 becomes the nation. Replenish. If you count the stars, you count our names. If you count the seeds, you count our gains. The heartland is rising, Igbo land is expanding. Multiplication. Everywhere we go, we are the nation. From the heartland sun to the setting west, multiply and replenish. We pass the test in one day, add it up, make it big, make it wide. With a steady rhythm, we take the ride. Multiply, replenish. Multiply, replenish. If we are many, we own the street. If we are many, we cannot retreat. From the delta sand to the rolling hills, it's the power in the numbers, the spirit that fills. The bigger we are, the more powerful we are. The bigger we are, the more powerful we are. Multiply the hope, multiply the grace, multiply the legacy of the Boland